Good morning, it's Monday, December the 21st, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases along with the halts at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully everyone had a tremendous weekend. It's Monday, it means it's time to get down to business. Given that the holidays are approaching, it's going to be a relatively slow news cycle week, but nonetheless, I do have some press releases for you. I've got 2 out of the Canadian side, and I've got 3 halts to report on, nothing out of the U.S. So without any further ado, let's get down to it. Our lead story comes out of a company called Chalice Diamond Corp. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol COD. Disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. They're announcing that they've got samples up to 48.5 grams per ton of gold on their Reed vein at the Old Cabin project. They've got historic channel samples of 1.18 ounces per ton of gold over 5.5 feet on parallel veins, and the property contains 13 independent vein systems. Further sampling on the Reed vein in the Old Cabin, as I'd mentioned, produced a sample of 48.5 grams per ton of gold. The sample was taken approximately 1.5 meters away from previous sampling, which returned assays as high as 211 grams per ton of gold. A little bit about Chalice. They're a member of the Hughes Exploration Group of companies and is led by a team with a stellar track record of discovery and development in Canada. Companies last at 3.5 cents, high of 9 cents, low of 3 cents, market cap of $4.2 million. Now, moving on to our next company, International Wayside Gold Mines. Trades on the venture under the symbol WYG. This press release actually came out last week after the bell, but nonetheless, it is worthy of your attention. The company is announcing they are going to be purchasing QR Mine and Mill, and this is further to the news release of February 4th, 2009, where the company announced they would acquire ore mine and mill from Cross Lake Minerals in exchange for Wayside's tax loss pool and a court-ordered plan of arrangement. The company has now entered into a revised term sheet in order to retain the tax losses for Wayside. Their ability to retain the tax losses is definitely very positive going forward. They can offset their gains. We've got a quote from Frank Callahan, CEO, who states, "We're very pleased to have revised the terms of the acquisition of the QR Mine and Mill in order to retain our tax losses. Under these revised terms and upon the commencement of mining operations, the company will have the ability to utilize the accumulated tax loss pools of approximately $25 million for the financial benefit of the company and its shareholders." So good news for their shareholders going forward. $25 million in tax losses that they'll be able to use. Companies last at 75 cents, high of $1.75, low of 25 cents, market cap of approximately $27 million. That's it for the press releases. I've got 3 halts for you. Bronco Energy Limited on the TSX under the symbol BCF, halted pending news. Dagilev Capital Corp on the venture under the symbol DCC.P, halted pending news. And finally, Blackwater Capital Corp on the venture under the symbol BCC.P, halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure you join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts at the open for you.